Hello everyone, in example 3 we're going to do the exact same thing we did in example 2, but this time we're going to look at a couple different scenarios. So in A we have a binomial multiplied by a trinomial, and we're going to do the exact same process of that distributive property that we've been talking about so far. So first of all, we have a 2x, and we're going to multiply that by the 4x term in the trinomial, and that's going to give us 8x squared. Then we take the 2x and we multiply it by the negative 3y, and that's going to give us negative 6xy. Then we take the 2x and we multiply it by the last term in the trinomial, which is plus 5. So 2x multiplied by plus 5 gives us positive 10x. Then we're going to have a look at the second term, the 3y, and we're going to multiply that 3y by each term in the trinomial as well. So 3y multiplied by first 4x is going to give us a positive 12xy. Positive 3y multiplied by a negative 3y is going to give us a negative 9y squared. And then positive 3y multiplied by a positive 5 is going to give us a positive 15y. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add all these terms together, combining the like terms. So we have an 8x squared, we have a negative 6xy plus a 12xy, which is just going to leave us with a positive 6xy. We have a positive 10x. We have a negative y squared. Sorry, negative 9y squared. And a positive 15y. And that is your answer. That is the final answer for that question. So then we have this next example here, B. 3x minus 1 squared. And I want everybody to take a notice that we have an exponent of 2 here. And what that means is we actually need to multiply this binomial by itself. So we will actually have 3x minus 1 multiplied by 3x minus 1. And this is very important for this type of question, because if you do it any other way, you will get the wrong answer. So we need to note that when we have a power of 2 on a binomial, we need to expand it to look like this. That binomial multiplied by itself. So then when we start to multiply, we have 3x multiplied by a 3x, which is going to give us a 9x squared. Then we have a 3x multiplied by a negative 1, so we have negative 3x. We move on to our second term. We have a negative 1 multiplied by a 3x, which gives us negative 3x. And a negative 1 multiplied by a negative 1 gives us a positive 1. And then when we get together, we combine our like terms. We have negative 3x minus 3x. So we have a 9x squared. We have a negative 6x, and we have a plus 1. So our final answer for 3x minus 1 all squared is 9x squared minus 6x plus 1.